Hello, I'm Russ Brown, and I have the honor of being the mayor of Hemet. As of Thursday, March 19th, California Governor Newsom issued a new directive that calls for all Californians to shelter in place. Only businesses deemed to be essential will be open, such as hospitals, pharmacies, banks, grocery stores, gas stations, government services, utilities, etc. will be operating, and those will still be bound by the previous requirements. This extreme measure was deemed necessary to substantially lower the likelihood of the further spread of the COVID-19 virus. Your Hemet City Council recognized early on that we were going to be facing significant challenges, and that is why we called a special council meeting at 8 a.m. on Monday, March 16th to declare a state of local emergency. Doing so helps enable us to modify operations as necessary to address rapidly evolving demands. It also puts us in a more favorable position to obtain state or federal reimbursement for actions taken in response to this emergency. We have already initiated practices to help ensure the health and safety of our city employees, including first responders, as well as our Hemet community members. Even though we closed public access to city facilities to limit the public interaction with our staff earlier this week, our operations continue to go on. Staff will still be present at City Hall, but city business will be conducted electronically or telephonically. In the interim, shutoffs and late fees will not be assessed for utility payments until further notice, and library due dates have been extended until May 6th, and we have many online options available for the public to access our library. Community members can still access resources online or by calling staff at numbers listed online. Visit hemetca.gov/COVID-19 for more information. And I'd like to especially thank all employees for rising to the occasion at this difficult time. Your City Council clearly recognizes this new directive will alter our daily lives and the challenges it will pose to us all. Nevertheless, we must all persevere. We are a community, and what can really define a community is how we respond to adversity. As I see it, when faced with a difficult task, we have three choices: give up, give in, or give it all you've got. The choice is ours. Every crisis always brings out the best and the worst in people. Clearly, we are navigating uncharted waters as we face challenging and changing demands almost daily. But we're all in this boat together. And I have faith that the vast majority of our Hemet community members will rise to the occasion and bring their best. We all have a role to play if our community is going to emerge whole after this crisis subsides. I urge everyone to accept personal accountability for their actions by heeding the practices advocated by health professionals. Maintain positive communications with friends, loved ones, and by alternate means, and share light moments and common joys, and try not to dwell on negative thoughts. Remember that one day this will all be in our rearview mirror, but for now we must look through the windshield just like a good defensive driver does, alert to potential threats and taking appropriate precautions. As a motivational speaker once said, always look at what you have left, never look at what you have lost. Please continue to monitor hemetca.gov/COVID-19 for future updates. And please remember, social distancing does not imply social disengagement. Thank you for your attention, and stay safe.